Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2019 Kia Forte EX IVT in Hyper Blue. Starting at the front here, this vehicle comes equipped with automatic LED headlights and LED daytime running lights, as well as a stylish front grille with white chrome trim. Moving on, this model comes with 16-inch machined finish alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. The Forte also features power heated side view mirrors, solar glass, and front and rear splash guards. Some of the safety features on this model include blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert, and hill assist control, along with auto emergency braking and lane keep assist. And looking toward the rear now, the Forte comes with remote cargo access, keyless entry, and a heated rear windshield. Moving on inside now, this model features a nice cloth interior with 60/40 folding rear seats and rear climate ventilation, along with a center armrest with built-in cup holders. And looking toward the front now, the Forte comes equipped with power windows and locks, steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, as well as heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, as well as a Rearview Camera on an 8-inch display. This model also features air conditioning, a wireless cell phone charger, and both USB and auxiliary input ports. Heading under the hood now, this vehicle comes with a 2-liter MPI 4-cylinder engine with an automatic intelligent variable transmission.